The following video will guide you through the recommended maintenance steps to help keep your Blomberg appliance running trouble-free. Further information on these steps can be found in the operation manual and should be referred to in conjunction with this video. If you've lost or misplaced your manual, you may be able to find one on our website. Failing this, please feel free to contact our customer service department, who will be happy to assist. Before carrying out any of the following, please ensure that the appliance is switched off, isolated from the mains, and that any water remaining within has cooled. The spray arms should be removed for cleaning. To remove the lower arm, pull it in an upwards direction. The spray arm below the upper basket can also be removed by turning the nut in a clockwise direction when viewed from above. Your dishwasher may also be fitted with a small top impeller or diverter. To remove these, push upwards towards the roof and turn anti-clockwise to release. The filters protect the appliance from potential damage and also ensure that the appliance operates efficiently. They're located on the base of the appliance and should be cleaned every week or whenever they become clogged. To remove, take hold of the filter and turn in an anti-clockwise direction. The coarse and micro filters can then easily be separated by pressing on the two clips of the coarse filter and pulling them apart. The strainer can then be lifted out. All these parts can then be washed under running water. Remember to check the spray arm holes for blockages. To refit the filters, slide the strainer back under the two plastic rear tabs and drop it in position. Clip the coarse and micro filter sections back together, drop them back into the base and turn in a clockwise direction until it clicks back into position. To refit the lower spray arm, insert into the hole and push downwards until it snaps tight. Relock the upper spray arms to the basket by turning in an anti-clockwise direction until tight. The top spray arm and diverter twists tight in a clockwise direction. Spin the arms by hand to ensure they rotate freely. Rinse aid increases the drying efficiency and helps prevent watermarks. It's added to the rinse aid container which sits inside the door. Press the button on the top to release, then fill until the max level is reached. The dispenser dose can then be adjusted using the regulator. The lower the setting, the smaller the amount dispensed. Wipe any spillages and close the door once completed. The salt container is located inside on the base of the appliance and helps soften the incoming water. Remove the lid by turning it in a counterclockwise direction and using the funnel provided, pour up to 2 kilograms of dishwasher salt into the pot. Once full, the lid can be refitted and a short program run to ensure that any salt spillages are removed. Please note that if your salt light was illuminated, it may take a little while before the light goes out. The external surfaces and door seal can be cleaned using an e-cloth and warm water before it's dried. For stainless steel surfaces, always use the special cleaning products which are available from various retailers. If you have any questions regarding these maintenance steps, please feel free to contact our customer service team with the model and serial number of the product, and they will be happy to assist.